I tell people all the time that you can go swimming in a pool with an iPhone even though Apple tells you not to do it, and they don't believe me. So one more time, I'm going to prove it to you today. So as you can see, Zadie is about to jump in the pool with my iPhone 14 Pro Max and film her sisters underwater. Let's see how it goes. So the trick to getting a good underwater shot with the iPhone is you're going to want to press record before you get in the water. The LCD will stop responding to you when it gets wet. You can also use the volume button, and here you go, Zadie. Have fun.
Can I see? Wait, I want to go in 2.5.
Remember that iPhones are water resistant, not waterproof, and that Apple says, yeah, you can dunk it in the water, but only go down a few feet. Apple also recently addressed the urban myth that putting a wet iPhone in rice was, well, all wet. It said the rice trick does not work, and that the best way to deal with potential water damage is to let the iPhone dry naturally. It also reminded users not to swim with their phones, and that doing so might make it hard to charge up afterwards. Really? Let's see what happens when we try to charge this. Did the charging port get messed up? It's charging. It's actually charging. So there, Apple. So there. But if you're really concerned, I have a MagSafe, which will always save the day. So let's try the MagSafe out, see what happens. And we'll plug it in right here. This is the phone that the girls brought into the pool. MagSafe is on there, and it's charging up. Even after a dunk in the pool, the charging port may not show some issues immediately, but a few days later. That's at least what I've been told. However, that did not happen to my iPhone 14, even after 1 hour in the pool. When all else fails, you've always got the GoPro, which is 100% waterproof. Girls, here we go. Don't forget, the charging port can get wet and you might have some charging issues. If not now, maybe a little later. Just let it dry out naturally. Don't blow cold air in there. Don't put it in a bowl of rice. Just let it dry naturally. Or, of course, when all else fails, there's always MagSafe. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more PhotowalksTV episodes. We got plenty, photo tips, travel adventures, and I'll see you all on the next Photo Walk. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.